How to add auto caption for free in your CapCut. If any day any of you are a CapCut user and you would like to add on your auto caption for free on your very CapCut, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your very CapCut application on your mobile device. You have to search the very CapCut application on your mobile device. After you find the CapCut application, you have to tap on it. After tapping on the CapCut application, you can see an interface like this. Now you can tap on any of the project that you want where you would like to set the auto caption off. After you tap on it, now you can see an interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, now you can go to the option of the text here. And after you tap on the option of the text here, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you can tap on the option of the auto captions. After tapping on the option of the auto caption, you can see the interface like this. Now here you have three of the option, that is generating from all, generating from audio, or generating from video. You can select it in any of the format from where you would like to generate. It can be from your audio format if you tap on audio. It can be from video format if you tap on video. So you have to just tap on it and then go to the option of the templates on the way which you'd like to add the auto caption template of, and then go to the option of generate. Likewise, you can also go to the option of identify filler words by identifying filler words to delete them in one tap. So after you do all of these and enable this and go to the option of generate, auto caption will be generated on your very CapCut. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.